Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello, I am Dr. Muhammad Kadoura. I'm general surgeon and plastic surgeon inside of Syria. I'm working in Atme Charity Hospital. I'm not afraid. This is war. Yesterday at evening, 11th of August, aeroplanes, I think American aeroplane, I'm not sure, 4 rockets to building inside of Atme country. Many victims, many children and many women, no fighters, no Al-Qaeda, no Nusra in the place. The almost of the victims are children and women. Just one is young man, and he is not from Al-Qaeda, and he isn't a fighter. My message for everybody who can see my message or listen to my message now, don't believe media. Come and see in your eyes. 5 children, 5 sisters, children from one family, Amouri family in Asma, killed. The all of them between 2 to 12 years. Do you think these sisters are terrorists? Are you crazy to believe that? Anyway, I'm sure there is a lot of good people everywhere in Europe and United States, in Arab countries and everywhere. Muslims or not Muslims, please, you have not to believe everything. Thank you very much. We are in Atme Charity Hospital. We are in the hospital inside of Syria. We need your praying, your dua, and you need your support to us in medicine, in instrument, and everything. And you need your sound, your voice, to keep our children and our women, to avoid them the war. Many planes in Syria, in sky of Syria, some for Assad and some for Turkey and some for American, and nothing to give us food or drugs or medicine, just to rocket and bombing. I'm work here from 4 years ago, and I'm Syrian and Muslim too. I will count, not feel what I'm feeling now. 10 victims, the half of them is children. Why? Because we want to destroy Al-Qaeda. Do you think you can destroy Al-Qaeda by killing 5 sisters? Mister, I don't think that. Be careful, it's a war, but it's not good for you and for us also. We want to live peacefully. We need our freedom. In Syrian revolution, our guilty just that we need freedom. Do you know freedom? Yes. Our guilty that we need just a freedom. Many rocket and many aeroplane and many regime and many in Syria because we ask our freedom. Thank you very much. My English language is not good. I forget it because in 5 years of the war I forget the English language because I saw many victims and many people suffering. Thank you for everything.